Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Tomorrow is the 15th of August, so wish you all a very happy Independence Day. And in this video, I'm going to cook and eat tricolor food for 24 hours. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Let's start with the breakfast, and these are the ingredients I'm going to use for making the healthy tricolor smoothie. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. For the green smoothie, add 1 apple peeled and chopped, few mint leaves for freshness, few spinach leaves, pinch of black salt, black pepper powder and half cup of water. Blend it into smooth consistency. And this becomes our bottom layer. Now for the white smoothie, add 1 banana, honey, milk and blend. For the orange smoothie, add 1 carrot, vanilla yogurt, orange juice and blend it again. Then add this over the other 2 layers, but use the back of the spoon like so. And our tricolor smoothie is ready. I'm going to make a quick sandwich as well. I've removed the edges of the bread since they were brown. Apply the pesto sauce, white mayo, and then the chipotle sauce. All the sauce recipes are already on the channel. You can check them out. Let's dig into it. The layers of the smoothie are not that perfect, but it's fine. The open sandwich on the other side looks perfect and tastes so good. Even the smoothie tastes amazing, so I rate my breakfast a 9 on 10. For lunch, I'm thinking to make dhokla, and these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I'm making the batter in 3 different bowls. You can make it in one and then divide it. Add semolina, that is suji. To that, add curd, salt, mix it and set it aside for 30 minutes. Till then, we'll make the puree of carrot and spinach. Now let's preheat our pan. You can use a pressure cooker as well. Place the cooker stand, add some water, cover and preheat for 10 minutes. Our batter is well rested. Let's add sugar, oil, half cup of water for the white dhokla. Mix it. Then add 2 tablespoons of carrot paste for the orange dhokla and a bit of water. Now add half cup of spinach puree for the green dhokla and whisk everything together till there are no lumps. All the 3 dhokla batters are ready. Let's grease the cake mold with oil. You can use any steel vessel that is deep. Add half teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. Mix and transfer half the batter into the mold. Place it in the preheated pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. Just before adding the other layer, add half teaspoon of Eno to the white batter and transfer it on the green layer. Spread it out evenly, cover and cook for 5 minutes. Again, the same procedure for the orange layer. I'm adding Eno at the end so that the dhokla comes out fluffy. Now cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. Check with the toothpick if it comes out clean, then take it off the flame and cool it down for 5 minutes. Remove it from the mold and cut into any size pieces you want. You can see how airy it has turned out. Here I made a quick green chili tadka. I will pour it over the dhokla and just look how amazing it is. The taste is so good, I can't even tell you. You should definitely try this. Undoubtedly, I give this dhokla a 10 on 10. I thought of having an evening snack, but I was so full with the lunch, I'm directly making the dinner, and these are the ingredients I will need. For the green pasta, add oil, capsicum, saute it for a minute or two. Then add the pasta. If you want to buy this tricolor pasta, then product links are always in the description box. Then add the pesto sauce and mix. For the white pasta, add garlic, onion. I know the onion is not white, but it turns translucent after cooking, so I guess I can use that. Then add the pasta and white sauce. Finally, add a pinch of salt. For the orange pasta, I couldn't find any other orange veggies, so just going to add the pasta. Also, I'm going to experiment here and add chipotle sauce. I never tried it with the pasta, so let's see how it comes out. This plate of tricolor pasta looks and tastes amazing. I wasn't sure about the orange pasta, but that turned out to be the best. Also, I removed all the onions because they were not looking white. So I rate this 8 on 10. Now for our dessert, it actually has no name. This is just something random I'm going to make and hope it tastes good. For the orange layer, add 1 tablespoon clarified butter, that is ghee, half cup milk, sugar. Once you get a boil, then add the fresh cream. For the orange layer, add carrot paste and cook till you get a thick consistency. For the white layer, I will repeat the same steps till I add the fresh cream. Then add cashew nuts and fresh coconut paste. Cook till it's thick. Again the same procedure for the green layer. Just add the pista and boiled green peas, that is matar paste. Transfer into the piping bags and layer it in any glass you like. I'm using these short glasses because they look very pretty. Refrigerate it for 15 minutes and you get these beautiful tricolor dessert. Let's taste it. The taste is super good. I can't even taste the flavor of the green peas in this, which is amazing. I rate this dessert a 9.5 on 10. Try these fun, colorful recipes and let me know your feedback. Also comment any challenges you want me to do. Today's shout out goes to Inakshi Sarkar, Arun Sharma and Drishti Gupta. If you want a shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.